Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a clumsy scribble drawing with using Pippit AI. So, Pippit AI is an AI tools that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photos, short drama agent, and then avatar videos, product photos, product video, and many more. And then in here, we will use this tool to turn your photo into a super goofy, badly drawn scribble image. And if you want to try this tool, you can just check the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this, and then just go to Image Studio, go to AI Designs, upload your photo that you want to transform. I want to choose this one, and then next, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. Like this, you can just copy my prompt, and if you want to tweak it to match your styles, just tweak it as you like. And then next, just choose your AI model in here, choose your resolutions, and then ratio, and after that, just tap submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this. Okay, like this. The results I think really good. It's so incredible like this, and it's still neat. I think not that messy. Not too messy. It's still good. And okay, maybe that's it. Now you can just try this tool yourself. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.